Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who do not know me, my name is Erica and I'm the founder and creator of the blog and brand Fashion Lush. And today we are going to be talking all about these curls. If you follow me on Instagram and you don't recognize me, it is because I have spent years and years and years flat ironing my hair, and I am finally on a journey to embracing my natural curls. First thing I want to say is I'm super excited for this video because I am partnering with Pantene to share with you guys their amazing new waterless collection. If you know me personally in my personal life, you know I hate washing my hair. Pantene has their new Never Tell Dry shampoo, which I'm absolutely obsessed with, and the new game changer of my life is their dry conditioner. This is the misbehaving dry conditioner. These are absolutely amazing. I'm gonna get into all the details of how these have been such game changers. First, I wanna talk to you guys about my curly hair journey. So let's start with when I was born. I came out with a head of curly hair, and as a kid, it was very cute. Everyone commented I looked like Shirley Temple. They loved my curls. How do you get her hair so curly? That was just my hair. When I was around 5 or 6 and I started going to school and making friends and seeing other kids is when I became fixated with having straight hair. I begged my mom, I begged my grandma when I wasn't with my mom to please make my hair straight, and they would not do it. They loved my curls. They loved me for who I was. They tried to instill that in me. I was just obsessed with this concept of having straight hair. When I was about 7 years old, my mom agreed to blow dry my hair only on special occasions. First of all, I want to say it was frizzy and it looked like an actual triangle. I thought that I looked like Yasmin Bleeth. I don't know if you know who Yasmin Bleeth is, but she was on Baywatch. That's who I thought I was walking around looking like. When I turned 16 is when I got my first flat iron, and that was game over for the curls. Whether my hair was blonde or brown or black, it was always stick straight. Fast forward to about 3 weeks ago. First of all, I noticed that my hair is literally breaking off. Like, this is the first time that I've noticed severe damage from all the heat. I feel like it finally caught up to me. My hair is looking thin, it's breaking off, and I thought, why not just start embracing the curls? And I just figured it'd be a fun experiment. I did it, I embraced the curls, and now I am absolutely obsessed with them. I love them. I do not wear them every day. I do still flat iron my hair. So my current routine is every other time I wash my hair, which, as mentioned, I do not wash my hair a lot. So 1 week it's straight, 1 week it's curly, 1 week it's straight, 1 week it's curly. I've already noticed such a difference in the health of my hair. I just love it. I'm loving it. I hope that this video inspires people to rock their natural curls. But there is a part 2 to this video, and the part 2 to this video is 2-day curls. As mentioned, for the 30th time, I do not like to wash my hair. I do not wash my hair often. And I thought with curls, what that meant is that if you go to sleep, the next day you have to wash your hair and redo the curls over. With straightening your hair, you just straighten it again when you wake up and you put on some dry shampoo and you move on with your life. But with curls, I thought it meant basically washing your hair every day. So I found the perfect solution for 2-day curls, which is what I'm going to show you guys using these Pantene Waterless Collection products, which have been a total game changer in my 2-day curl hair routine. And I have to go to sleep to show you guys what it looks like in the morning because I'm not a gentle sleeper. My hair literally will frizz out like crazy, but my 2-day hair actually always looks better than my 1-day hair when it comes to the curls. I'm going to come back tomorrow and I'm going to show you guys how it is done after I get a good messy night's sleep on this hair.
24 hours later.
Hey guys, I'm back. It's been about 24 hours since you last saw me, and the curls have had a busy 24 hours. So I've worked out, I've walked my dogs, I've taken a bath, I've gone to the grocery store, I have gone to sleep, which, as I mentioned before, my hair gets crazy when I sleep because I am not a gentle sound sleeper. And today I am really having a 2nd-day curl moment and they need to get revived. It is time to take it down and kind of walk you guys through what I'm gonna do. Just so you know, I've got a mirror right here, so if I'm looking in the mirror, that's why. So let's take this hair down and see what we're working with. Okay, the curls are still intact, but they are definitely messy and a little frizzy. So first thing I'm gonna do is use the Pantene Never Tell Dry Shampoo. This is it. This is my new favorite dry shampoo. The way it sprays is just like very controlled. There's no white powdery residue, which I'll show you, and it's got tapioca in it, which absorbs all the dirt and oil. It also has fresh mint to like absorb and make your hair smell fresh and clean. With curly hair, obviously, like any hair, no matter how you style it, gets a little greasy. My issue is always at the root, especially with the curls. You do not want your root to get flat. Then you've got like the pyramid look. I always say it looks like that cartoon Kathy. I don't know if you remember her. But anyways, we're gonna spray this at the root. That is the first step to just kind of revive and make sure that there's no dirt and oil. I like to get all the way around the root just to get all of it very clean and fresh feeling. I'm absolutely obsessed. It smells really, really delicious. And then I kind of just comb it through with my fingers. This dry shampoo also has Pro Vitamin B5, which fortifies and strengthens your hair, which I really appreciate. So as you can see, my hair is already so much more bouncy and full, but I need to bring some shape back into the curls, which will bring me to my next step involving this little mister bottle. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open it. All that's in here right now is water, and I'm gonna take this Miracle Moisture Boost conditioner. Let me show it to you. It's got rose water and it's sulfate free, and I absolutely love it. No parabens, no dyes, no mineral oils. I'm just gonna put literally that much. I'm gonna put it in this bottle, shake it up a little, and I'm gonna spray my hair. This is just a fine mist bottle. You can get one pretty much any beauty supply store or on Amazon. And I'm just gonna spray it through until my hair is about 60% damp again. And this really will kind of refresh the curls and give them a chance to bounce back up. I do go a little bit on the root, but not much. I try to keep it just from here down because I don't want to weigh down the root. As mentioned, as usual, it's working. And as I mentioned yesterday, I always like my second day curls better. They just feel more like bouncy, natural, soft, and kind of 80s vibes. I'm gonna go grab my diffuser and I'm just gonna dry these a little bit. I'll show you the process. I just wanna get it bone dry because you don't want damp curls and then mess with them. That's when they kind of release. Once your curls are fully dry, that's when you can kind of flip your hair, play with it. All right, I'm back with my diffuser. This is it. You can get one of these attachments for literally any blow dryer on the market. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come from the bottom and I'm just gonna go like this, gently throughout my whole hair until I think it's dry. So I just got done drying the curls. They're fully dry and they are so voluminous. Like, look at this curl. I love when I get like a good curl in the front. Look at that. But I still think it's a little frizzy just from a night's sleep. So this is where I bring in the new love of my life as terms of hair care goes. I'm obsessed with this product. It is the Pantene Misbehaving Dry Conditioner. I'm so excited about a dry conditioner because I want my hair to look shiny, and especially when it's curly, you don't want it to look dry and crunchy. So I'm basically just gonna spray this through, like from here down. It'll bring so much shine into my hair. Let me start spraying it. They say it's the love child of a leave-in conditioner and like a creamy styling product, but it's a super fine mist. You can just spray it through all your hair, and it really helps with combating the frizz right now. Like, it's gonna take down so much of the frizz, but it also goes into like a 24-hour frizz protection mode. It's got omega-9 fatty acids, which if you know is a huge ingredient in skincare and a huge ingredient in like the Mediterranean diet and their lifestyle, whether it's for your skin or in your body. It's just a really good thing to incorporate into your diet. Okay, so I think I've got enough of that. It's so good. My curls just got so much silkier and they look way better than they did even yesterday. I'm obsessed with it. Although I really do like it today, and I'm probably gonna take it down right after this because I like what's going on. I'm just gonna show you my go-to curly hair style. And with the curls, I just loosely put it up because I do not want to disturb my curls at all costs. And that is one of my favorite ways to rock my curls. That is the gist of it. Let me know if you guys want any more curly hair tutorials, curly hair styling, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.